All right, we're back here at St. John's Power Sports again, talking to Dion. We're getting in the process of installing the LED light bar today. So right now, Dion's just checking me in. We had an appointment set up this morning, get me checked in and drop it off and come back in a few hours. So we're here this morning in the service department at St. John's Power Sports. We're here with Mark. Today we're going to be installing the LED light bar. So Mark, kind of walk me through just your process. So what's the next steps?
So basically the next steps is, we're going to get the vehicle in here. You'll have to take off some plastic body components like, the dash and stuff like that. And then basically, we're going to mount the light bar on the roof.
Okay.
Usually light bars these days are all inclusive. Most of them will come with their own mounting hardware and brackets.
Great.
Basically, we wanted to have a nice secure metal anchor. So we're going to pick a point on the roof that's going to go through some solid metal, not just the plastic roof.
Okay.
That way, if you hit any low-lying branches or limbs,
which you will. A lot of videos about hitting those areas. So great.
Absolutely, yeah. So basically, that way it's not going to be torn off or anything like that.
Okay.
And then, you're just going to route the wires in the most hidden way possible.
Okay.
On some units, you can actually go through the tubes of the rollover protection structure.
Okay.
And on yours, I'm not sure.
Yeah, on the Wolverine, I believe there's actually, if there's two, but there's also a spot right in the dash for three other accessories. I already have the winch on there, so there's 4 total.
Yep. So we'll
take that out.
Run down, and we're going to be looking for key power.
Okay.
So that way we don't drain the battery. The winch will, or the light bar will only be powered up when we turn the key on.
Okay.
We're going to install a switch in the dash, and that's pretty much it. It's pretty straightforward.
Perfect. Thanks. So we'll go take it out of the box now, and then we'll start the process.
Absolutely.
All right, so here we are with the Open Trail 22.5 high intensity 120 watt LED light system. Right now it's boxed up. Mark's going to go ahead and unbox it real quick, see what it looks like. Okay, nice and securely packed to protect the packaging, so you can see the harness right there. Again, Open Trail is one of the more popular light bars are out there. High quality, with a warranty. Looks nice, really nice. Nice and clean, nice harness.
That'll be your mounting bracket. Hardware.
Okay. Got the hardware, the mounting brackets, and the harness that goes from the light bar down to the switch. Okay.
Basically it.
You can see how it's packaged, nice and secure. Open up. There's the switch.
Fuse.
Right, goes right to the battery.
Relay.
Okay. And there's a switch that fits in one of the 4 openings that the Wolverine has for accessories. So after picking out the LED light bar from St. John's Power Sports, we chose the Open Trail 22.5 inch LED light bar with 16,000 lumens. We're going to go out and try it in the trail, test it out, see how it works. It's about almost dark now, and we'll see when it performs. Okay, so here is no lights. It's around 7 o'clock Eastern time, and we're here with no lights on the trail. Here's regular Yamaha lights, Wolverine lights. Here's the brights, and then when I add the 16,000 lumen Open Trail light bar, you get that. What a difference. So no light bar